Hello everybody, my name is Gibi. Sharing the load is something that I practice in my home and I think sometimes we can take for granted. Specifically in these times when a lot of families and people are home and more stressed than usual, I think that sharing the load is something really positive that we can be mindful of. So I hope you enjoy this video, doing it all ASMR style. So just sit back, relax, and let somebody else take care of the laundry for a change, because you deserve a break. Take your mind off and just relax. Your husband is going around the house and collecting the dirty clothes. He finds all of the clothes that need to be washed, including the stinky workout shorts. You can see that he is sorting the clothes for different wash cycles, darks and whites, delicates and linens, separately. He checks the tags with care on his and your favorite pieces of clothing. You can hear your husband is slowly putting the first load of laundry in the washing machine. He has opened the box of Ariel and is carefully putting the detergent into the washing machine, making sure to measure out exactly how much he needs. Then he closes the lid of the washing machine. Now he is pressing the washing machine buttons. First, the power button, then the load setting. Next, the spin cycle. Finally, he's pressing the start button. The first load of laundry is being washed. Your husband is taking care of it. You can relax. The first washing machine load is complete. So he carefully takes the clean clothes and places them into the dryer. When the laundry is done, all the clothes feel so clean and fresh, so soothing. He folds each piece with gentle care and puts everything away properly. Shirts, pants, hangers, everything where it's supposed to be. Thank you. How relaxing when you don't have to take the mental load all alone. When you don't have to be the only one to worry about all the household chores. So relax, breathe deep, ease your mind, sink into comfort of a carefree slumber. Isn't it so blissful and delightful to have a partner who shares the load?